This is what we are building or fixing in this case. Okay, see, this one small thing breaks this if done wrong. Now, this is the example of screen flow that we are going to learn in this video. This is a screen flow opening directly from a quick action on a record. Okay, or we can take it other ways as well. Okay, so this is a record where I have created an action, and on click of this action I am opening this screen flow which is created. Okay, most people get this working once but miss a small setup detail that creates issue later. In this video I'll show you the correct way to do this. So let's start. So whenever in your project, your manager or your team asked you to create a screen flow which should be open when the quick action button is clicked. Okay. So to solve this issue, what you should have the screen flow ready. So I have this screen flow ready named as discount request screen flow. Now this is a screen flow which I want to call from the quick action. Now decide on which object you want the action to be visible. Now, since I want to show this action on the opportunity page, and that's why if I want to create such action and it should look like this, what you will have to do, just go to opportunity. Okay, on opportunity, go to new action, fine, and in the new action select what you want to show. If you want to create a record, send an email, log a call, custom visual force page, update a record, lightning component, lightning web component, or a flow. In our case we need to call a flow which is a screen flow. So select this. After that, go to flow, select your flow which is discount request screen flow. After that, standard label type, you can ignore it, or if you get the option to select the flow, you can choose that option. Okay, but currently we don't need this option for now. Just label whatever the label that you want. Label is kind of this open discount form. So if you want a different label, so you can write that here. Okay, and the name is going to be the API name of your label. Okay, and just save it. And once you save it, it will be open like this. See, open discount form, this button. Ignore this part because this is a button, but currently we are creating the action. So when you create the action, it will look like this. Okay, flow, action type flow, object opportunity, label, API name, and standard label name is missed here. Okay, like I just told you. Okay, so that's it about calling the screen flow. When you call this screen flow, just add your action on the layout. Go to layout. This is the opportunity layout. Now, since you have created the action, so how will you select the action? So go in the mobile and lightning actions, choose your button name here, open discount form. Okay, currently I have two buttons, one is button and another one is an action. Okay, so choose appropriately. See, there is an highlighter saying that this is an action. Okay, so this second one I'll choose. The first one is the button. Okay, I want the action, so I'll drag it here and paste it. Okay, that's it. Save it. Once you save it, it will be visible on the opportunity layout page. Now just go once again, just refresh your page or hard reload or empty cache and hard reload, so that all the caches will be removed and you will be able to see the button, not button but action. Okay, now this is an opportunity page. You can open up any record from the opportunity object, click on the button, and here is your screen flow visible. Now you can add your values and your screen flow is going to work correctly. And that's all. So whenever you wish to call screen flow from any action, you will have to follow the steps that I have shared in this video. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the complete video. Stay tuned to Salesforce Gyaan Academy for more such videos. Thank you.
If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe the channel.